In this lecture, we are going to see search volume of domain name and its importance in the ranking factor. What is search volume of a domain name? Let's see an example. I have searched for AMD Zen. AMD Zen or Ryzen is a processor of the brand AMD and it hadn't come out as of January 2017. That is, it was not released officially at that time. So, all news or articles that were published on the internet about this processor would either be a rumor or some prediction about the performance of this processor. So, when I searched about AMD Zen, this is the news section, so let's leave it. Here is the first search result and it's from the domain WCCF Tech. The first two search results are from the same domain. The third search result is from Wikipedia. Wikipedia always comes in the top 5 to 6 search results because of its domain authority or domain search engine visibility, which we saw in the previous lecture. So let's skip Wikipedia alone for this comparison. Let's assume this as the third result, which comes from pcworld.com domain. And then comes GameSpot and Extreme Tech. So how can we analyze these search results with search volume of domain name? There is a tool in Google AdWords which is called Google AdWords Keyword Tool or Keyword Planner, with which we can find about search volume trends for any keywords. I have searched for the domain names, that is WCCF Tech, PC World, GameSpot and Extreme Tech in the Keyword Planner tool. And these are the average monthly searches of these domains. GameSpot tops at 673,000 monthly searches. What this means? This represents the popularity of the brand name GameSpot. For every month, this GameSpot keyword is searched for around 673,000 times in Google search engine. This brings more domain authority and SEO visibility to GameSpot. So, as I said in the previous lecture, if you want domain authority, you want your domain name to get searched many times. Also, you need to get more backlinks or more links from several authoritative sites. Now let's come here. The next spot is PC World, which is searched 201,000 times every month. But do you observe one thing? WCCF Tech, which is searched just 40,000 times a month, comes first and second in search results rather than PC World and GameSpot. But the actual inference should be in the opposite way. WCCF Tech is a site which publishes all the rumors and upcoming processor specifications, features, etc. So it's highly relevant to the keyword AMD Zen. So there is no wonder in WCCF Tech appearing in the first or top 2 search results. But PC World and GameSpot are not such websites. They are much more related to reviews and gaming hardwares. So how come they appear in the second and third search result compared to Extreme Tech or Fudzilla, which are also highly related to WCCF Tech? This is because of the search volume of the domain name, which leads to more domain authority, and hence they come in the first page. Also, let's analyze these search results. These are the WCCF Tech posts which we saw in the search result, and they have optimized their posts in almost the best way possible because they have included H1, H2 tags, multiple images, interlinked their posts, and provided external links, and much more, which we are going to see in this course in the upcoming lectures. But only after optimizing their contents this much, they could come to the first search result. But coming to PC World, just see this post. Only one title and one image, and there are no interlinks, no bold, nothing in this post. But still, they managed to come in the second or third search result. This is because of the search volume of their domain name, which translates to domain authority. So, if your website is new and if you are just competing with other niche pages or other competitors in your niche, you need to optimize each and every post in your website with all the elements that we are going to discuss in this course. Once you have got higher domain authority like PC World or GameSpot, then you can even compromise on optimizing your content. Because once you have got enough domain authority, you will automatically come to the first page for almost any keyword that is related to your website. One more thing you should note that GameSpot is almost in 5th spot in this search result. But when I opened the link of this result, it came out to be just a forum post. So it's not even the official post by GameSpot. But still it managed to appear in the 5th or 6th position for AMD Zen keyword. This is all because of search volume of the domain name or the domain authority. Now you could have understood what is a search volume of a domain name and how it links or how it translates to domain authority. See, in 2014, these are the search volumes of the domain name of the search result that appear from 1 to 30th position in Google search. The same websites have got higher amount of search volume of the domain name in 2015, and the increase is almost 300 to 400%. So what can you infer from this? Once you have developed a domain authority or a brand name popularity, you will come up in the search result for every related keyword of your website. So the simple process of search engine optimization is, first you need to optimize your content when you are new. Once you have attained domain popularity or domain authority, then you can skip or you can compromise on your content optimization. But still, you will continue to appear first in the search result. In the next lecture, let's see the ratio of home pages and how it acts as a technical factor in Google's search engine ranking.